The first step in the evidence-based public health process is to develop a concise statement of the issue being considered. A clear expression of the problem will provide focus and increase the likelihood that a systematic, structured approach will be followed during the planning process. Developing an effective issue statement is like using a funnel. You begin with a lot of information and gradually trim and refine your statement of the problem until you arrive at a concise, focused, and strong product. An issue statement can take many forms, including background information for a grant application, a response to a request about a particular problem from a government official, or a needs assessment that is part of a strategic planning process. There are a few guidelines to keep in mind when writing issue statements. State the issue as a question you can research. This statement should include background information. This will be your first sentence or two. Here you will be presenting the problem. Present what is known about the public health issue and include epidemiologic data on a person, place, and time. Once you have written the problem, you need to describe how the problem came about. The next part of your issue statement should lead to an analysis of root causes. This may be best represented by a list of questions that the team will attempt to answer. How did this problem get so bad? For example, cancer rates have risen in your city. Through your research, you find that smoking rates in people over 18 have increased in 42% of the population in the last 20 years. This is probably one of the root causes that increased cancer rates. Next, the statement should include solutions to the problem that lead to multiple discipline agency involvement. Think of creative ways to engage the community and other agencies. Here, the search for effective interventions begins. Also include the outcomes you expect to see when the process is completed. This will show that you have thought through the issue completely. Your outcomes may change a bit when the program progresses. Finally, your issue statement should be clear and concise. Someone who has no background in public health should be able to read your issue statement and understand it. If not, you need to rewrite it.